Safety on the road is important to all of us, and we're looking at the implementation of a standard, a road traffic safety management system, which when implemented will make the roads a safer place for you, I and all of us. So Tions, ISO 39001, why is there a need for this standard?
The need is a worldwide need. About 1.5 million people die worldwide on roads. That equates to about 3,000 deaths per day. And according to the World Health Organization, this number is unacceptable, and therefore the standard was created.
From that global overview to where we are now, the UAE, how important will it be to the UAE itself?
In the UAE, we are 7 times more likely to die in a road traffic accident than in the United Kingdom. So from that perspective, it's extremely important. And also to note that, that as far as children are concerned, it's the major cause of accidental death in children in the UAE, and more than 63% of accidental deaths of children occur as a result of road traffic accidents in the UAE.
Some very worrying statistics there and numbers you've just given us. So regarding the ISO 39001, who will implement this?
The objective of the standard is to be implemented by employers and therefore employees, and to involve employers. Employers are the major users of the roads through their employees and through the products that they move with the roads. So the objective is to involve them in road traffic safety in a much larger way. Traditionally, we thought that the police and the road traffic authorities are the ones responsible for road traffic safety. But obviously that is not enough. Employers and employees need to get involved in order to bring those accident statistics down.
Moving now from those startling statistics to the person who's responsible for the assurance and testing, the general manager. So Ahmed, tell us more about the standard and its key features.
Thank you. Well, this international standard provides businesses and organizations around the world with a framework and a tool that businesses can use to reduce and hopefully eliminate risks of road traffic accidents and incidents. It helps them basically identify best practice in terms of road traffic safety.
So moving on, who can use the standard?
We believe any organization can benefit from the standard. But obviously in the standard itself, we've identified 3 key groups of organizations, starting with organizations that use the roads, so road users, people that operate vehicles such as taxi agencies, bus agencies. The second group are organizations that manage road infrastructure, so businesses that design, build and maintain roads. And the last group, organizations that create demand on road infrastructure, such as schools and shopping malls.
So if an organisation decides they want to go ahead and implement ISO 39001, what is the way forward?
First of all, they need to basically educate their staff on the standard, implement the ISO 39001. What happens then is we come and audit and assess the implementation of the standard, grant them a certificate. The challenge then is for those organizations to maintain the implementation of the management system, which happens throughout regular visits on year after year.
And now onto the training aspect. We speak to the manager responsible for training. So Sham, how can BSI, regarding organisations, create better awareness of road traffic safety?
Our training courses support and explain to the organizations what is the fundamental of any management system, and mainly speaking about road traffic safety. It will increase the awareness and have better understanding of the management system itself.
So in that respect, what courses do you offer?
Our training courses varies between an introduction courses, which explain the fundamental and the requirements of the management system, and the standard, to implementation, which explain to the delegates how to effectively implement a management system, and auditing courses, which will enhance the skills of the delegates in auditing the management systems. We do deliver 2 types of training courses, in-company training courses, which we go to the company and deliver the course on site, and we do have our open schedule, which companies can send their delegates or their employees to our courses. As an international organization, we deliver our training courses in different languages.
In a world where so many settle for OK, BSI never has and never will. BSI, making excellence a habit.